Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Motive CEO and co-founder, Shoaib Makani.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Motive Vision. This is our second annual customer conference, and it's awesome to see how this community has grown. It's a testament to the strength of your operations and the physical economy at large, and to the work that the Motive team has put in over the years to scale our technology and to solve your hardest problems. Thank you for joining us here in Austin today, and for placing your trust in Motive. I am blown away by the work you all do, and we are so grateful that we get to support you in doing it. We have an awesome agenda for the next 2 days. We've got 20 breakout sessions, the safety boot camp. We're gonna hear from a number of our customers, and we're gonna cap it off with the Innovators Party, which I can't wait to see you all at tonight. I wanna start today by giving you some insight into what compelled me to start Motive more than 10 years ago, and what remains a driving force for us today. In 2013, when I looked out at the tools that were being built for organizations that do physical work, what struck me was how fragmented and siloed the products were. It was a sea of point solutions: vehicle tracking, electronic logs, maintenance, dash cams, asset monitoring, and so much more. But there was no single integrated platform that allowed you to manage your physical operations end to end. There was no single interface for your safety, operations, and finance teams. But it was clear to me when talking to our earliest customers that was exactly what you needed. So we set out to make this a reality. But we didn't build the integrated operations platform overnight. We started in 2015 with fleet management to bring your vehicles online. We added driver safety to help you reduce your risk on the road. Later, we introduced equipment monitoring to connect all your non-vehicular assets to the cloud. In 2022, we launched the Motive Card to help you manage your fleet-related spend. And last year, at this conference, we launched AI Vision to give you visibility everywhere. And most recently, we introduced Workforce Management to help you manage and engage your people at scale. Today, Motive solves more problems than any other platform in the industry, and we're always asking our customers, what is the next problem we can solve for you? The result of that is complete visibility across your operations with no data silos. Everyone in your organization is singing from the same song sheet. Our work here will never be done. We are going to continue to solve new problems and expand the scope of this platform. But there is another major opportunity that has emerged recently that is essential to the success of your organizations, and that is AI. And to be clear here, we have been building AI for you since 2017, when we first started training computer vision models to monitor for unsafe driving behavior. But now, the potential of AI extends beyond driver safety. AI can transform every aspect of your operations. Service verification, preventive maintenance, fraud detection, automated coaching, and so much more. But with any new technology, there is going to be challenges. We want to be your partner in leveraging this technology, but I think it's important to recognize some of those challenges, and I thought it'd be helpful to review a few AI fails, if you will, to make sure that we don't get totally caught up in the hype. First up, I am no chef, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to add glue to your pizza to get the cheese to stick, as Google suggests here. And here, ChatGPT tells us that someone set a record walking across the English Channel. And I'm pretty sure AI is powerful, but it has not figured out how to walk on water just yet. And look, a hallucination is okay here and there if you're working in the kitchen or you're playing trivia. But there is zero tolerance for error in your operations because the stakes are so high. And that is why we are so focused on accuracy when it comes to building AI models for you. Practically speaking, what that means is, number one, no false positives. We will not burden you with events and alerts that aren't real. And number two, no false negatives. We want to make sure that you don't miss anything. The way we deliver on this promise is that we put a human in the loop to review the output of our AI models until we are certain that they deliver on your standards. This is what allowed us to build such exceptional performance for the AI dashcam, and it will allow us to deliver similar results for every other AI-powered product that we build for you. If we get this right, the value you will realize will be exceptional. You are going to save millions of hours of employee productivity. You will save billions in fleet-related costs, and most importantly, you will save lives. That's why today we're going to focus this presentation on AI and how we're deploying it across the Motive platform in 2025 and beyond.